some words of wisdom and not to do it.
I hate the fact that he just asked me about it. Because I don't want to, this is scary. This is way too big.
What did you tell him?
I was like, I said, he goes, what do you think? What, third gear? I'm like, what are you hitting? Third? I was like, he's like, think second? I'm like, no. Definitely third if you're doing it, but I mean, I don't know. I'm scared.
Don't do it.
So scary. So scary.
Hey, but it's Kevin Windham. And if you doubt him, you're not very smart.
Sick though. It's sick.
There's kids and ladies over there crying like
There's nothing about that that's right.
well,
Sure there is. You did it and
you
landed
just showed it can be done. So is that your new race lane?
Yeah. If transponder will work, right?
Put the transponder on the landing. There you go.
Oh, wow.
That's big.
That's scary,
We just found him a new race line too.
If I can get that transponder to click off, I'm good.
Hey, you would have OJ'd if you hit it pin. Now that you already did it, I can tell you, you would OJ.
I gave it the berries. That didn't look like the berries?
I heard you.
It looked like you
It
looked.
didn't, yeah.
That wasn't Aaron. No.
You're showing off there.
Berm to berm and then...
Why don't you just do something easier?
It's actually easy.
People get a boner watching this, man.
It goes easy till, I mean, it's easy until it goes wrong, and then you gotta find an abort mission and a whoop pad. You know?